In this lesson, we will learn how to move around our cutting board. First off, we have to have a clean cutting board. We gotta create a safe environment for us to cut. So sometimes if you notice some people have a lot of things on their cutting board, that makes them less effective. So clean your cutting board, have your ingredients on the left-hand side. I'm gonna actually position my body, hold my knife. All right, my ingredients are on the left, my knife is on my right-hand side. So we have a clean board, ingredients on the left. Next thing we gotta do is make sure that we create momentum. How do we create momentum? We do the same repetitive task continuously. So the more you repeat it, the faster you become. So let's say I have some lemons here on the left-hand side. I'm gonna start by taking off the edges. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna put it on the left-hand side of the cutting board, standing up. Same motion, straight down, boom. Same motion, create speed. Put your knife down, take your garbage, put it on your garbage bowl. You got it right there. Next move, we're gonna cut them in half. The way you move in your cutting board is you start from the left, you cut in the middle, your end product is on your right. So now, if I want to stop here, I stop, otherwise I move everything back to the top. And if I was at the restaurant, I do this very, very specifically. I will actually lay everything like that. So in case somebody passes by and see me, they will see how organized I work. I also have my little pan to take off any kind of liquids that we have here to continue to be safe. So again, create the same movement. Wipe down your knife. Grab everything with your spatula. Drop it in the container that you already have. Wonderful. Wipe this down. Wipe your board down. Wipe right here. Now we know how to move around our cutting board for speed and efficiency. Have a clean board, create the momentum, move left to right. And now, little chef, you're ready to go to module 4, knife skills.